All right, here's your hint for number 2. So in this case, we're dropping a ball, it hits the ground and bounces back up. And they give us these two heights, and they ask us to find the impulse. So we're definitely going to want to find J. Now, in order to find J, the impulse, we're going to need to either know the force and the time over which this occurs, or we're going to need to know the mass and the final initial velocities of what it occurs at. So they gave me the mass, so I'm going to suggest that we go this route. All right. So in going this route, we're going to have to change grams to kilograms for that mass, but also we're going to need to do some 1D motion problems because what we have is height. So in order to do this, I guess you could use energy as well. You could use conservation of energy. But your goal is to do a 1D motion problem and find this final velocity. Now I keep using the word velocity. That has an arrow on top of it up there because it needs direction. So this one will have a negative velocity. Yeah. And then I come over here. I'm going to do another 1D motion problem, a max height problem, and find that initial velocity for that jump. And once I find those two velocities, they will become my initial velocity for my momentum problem and my final velocity for my momentum problem. So again, 1D motion problems to find your initial and final velocities, plug them in, solve for your impulse again, make sure to take grams to kilograms.